Hey, welcome to day 51 of losing 60 pounds in 90 days. Here is how my body is looking with the little tummy tuck, and I'm feeling really good. And with that being said, let's get into breakfast. This breakfast consists of, biggest thing I've learned from cooking shows is timing. And I always start with the thing that cooks the longest, which is going to be the Costco turkey bacon. I have 3 strips of that, and then I'm also serving up 3 fried eggs. It's my favorite way to have eggs besides an onion American cheese omelet. And then to rehydrate and get some digestion, I'm also doing a squeezed lemon in some room temperature water. I have this every morning and I do feel like it helps with my digestion and I just love the taste of it. And today, instead of coffee at home, we got some Starbies. On the side, I'm having a cinnamon raisin Dave's Killer bagel with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, strawberry cream cheese, and topped with the hickory smoked turkey bacon. Every morning I have 10 grams of creatine monohydrate, 1/4 a teaspoon of Baja Gold sea salt, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for my brain and muscle health, rehydration, and digestion. After breakfast, I have saffron extract, which just helps with mood levels. And then I also have L-theanine, which basically takes away the jitterness and anxiety that sometimes I get with caffeine and just increases the focus. Whenever I have a coffee, I make sure I have 200 milligrams of L-theanine. My fiance's car kept chipping paint. I don't know if it's like a Hyundai thing or the weather here. So I honestly know that this is a Band-Aid fix, but I'm just pulling away the chips and then I'm going to clean the actual surface of it. So hopefully the paint sticks a little better. And look, I know, hate me in the comments, throw some crap if there's any mechanics in here, but I'm just using this spray paint to try and, put a Band-Aid on the fix because I know it's going to be pretty expensive for me to repaint the whole hood of the car. And I lacked on some editing because I got busy yesterday, so that was the first thing I did this morning before getting into work is locking in and editing 219's video, day 50 video, and you're watching day 51's. And then I just logged in on some client transformations, updating intake forms, and getting ready for programming as I had to show up for the people that show up for me. I didn't know this about trash trucks, but I thought it was just like people, usually throw the trash bins, like open up the trash and throw it in there, but that machine is sick. And they don't have pup cups at Starbucks, but we made sure to give our little baby girl some foam. Second meal is some skinless, boneless chicken thighs that I just put salt and pepper on and pan fried in a cast iron pan. That equals out to 684 calories because I had 12.5 ounces, consisting of 38 grams of fat and 85.4 grams of protein. Then I have some goodles with a serving size of around 116 grams. That's 75 carbs and 23 grams of protein with 6.3 grams of fat. And on top of the chicken, I put 70 calories of golden barbecue Kinder's barbecue sauce, which is 15 grams of carbs. And then I just have some veggies, which is half a yellow bell pepper. After eating, I love having a freaking treadmill at home. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can use the carbs and food right after and get some extra cardio in. I'm not locked to just when I have to drive to the gym 30 minutes away. And so I did 45 minutes of cardio today and it felt really good, just 4 incline, 3 speed. And I'm noticing like my upper body is feeling a lot better, muscular wise. I'm noticing like a more rounding around my shoulder caps and arms are just getting leaner. And stomach's usually last to go, sadly. But to rehydrate after the cardio, I did some sugar-free white peach liquid IV. It's literally my favorite flavor that I've ever had from liquid IV that is sugar-free. And that just helps, replenish what I have sweated out from my cardio and overall working out. If you haven't tried this flavor, please try it. It's so freaking good. So I want to walk through this post that I saw that was super important, something I've struggled with for many years. This human did not learn how to detach, and so he suffers. but what else is there to do but detach? Beg, try to control, be on constant emotional roller coaster. You will see that detachment is how life is meant to be lived. When you try to force and control everything, everyone around you, you are letting your fearful ego sabotage your life. Whatever goes, let it go. Whatever comes, let it come. Either way, you know that you have it all because you have unlimited tries. It's when you obsess over one that you limit your infinite possibilities. Have trust. I definitely have some OCD, some obsessive compulsive disorder, where I try and control almost every aspect of my life. And I've tried this for many, many years. And over the past 6-7 months, I have really tried to just allow things to happen. And just, if things do happen, just say, so what, if they're out of my control. And it has caused so much peace of mind in my life, because you cannot control other people and what they do or don't do. And in a sense, when you're expecting someone to do something or not do something in a certain way at a certain time, you're giving your happiness in their hands. It's like this quote of like wanting someone to pass away, and you drink the poison and hope that they will pass. Like, it's just hurting you. And so just focus on the things you can control and let everything fall as it may, and give it space as you will. Today's been a really good day. The treadmill lubricant came in. I got this thing that holds my phone up. It's super nice. I'm super thankful that I have the ability to do cardio whenever I want, and I'm not just locked into one time at the gym that I have to drive to like 30 minutes away. Huge game changer for this challenge, and also just the longevity of cardiovascular health and losing fat. I only have about 586 calories left for the day. I have a friend that I'm picking up for the airport in a few, and so probably gonna have a shot or two of some Johnny Walker Black Label. That's his stuff. I haven't drank since last year, so it's definitely been many, many months, but it's a celebratory thing. And excited tomorrow to wake up, get some cardio in, and lift. Seriously think about the detachment thing and not trying to control everything that we can do. I also hit 1,000 subscribers, which is dope. Just being able to help more and more people, and more people supporting me on this journey. Really appreciate it. I truly mean this when I say this. I love feedback. Please let me know what I could be doing better. And honestly, why you're watching this, why you subscribe, like what I'm doing well. So maybe I can double down on it. Maybe I shouldn't know. But I definitely want to know at least what I could be doing better. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.